Good morning, students. Our next class is the speed of the traveling wave. The speed of the traveling wave. In the previous class, you write down the wave function y equal to a sine kx minus omega t. The wave function y equal to a sine of x minus omega t. If write down in the same equation involving the phase constant y equal to a sine kx minus omega t plus phi. This is the wave function of the traveling wave. It is the represent of the mathematical representative of the wave motion. It goes to the next. It take two waves. The traveling a same medium with the same phase. This is the one. Another one is this one. This one is also two. Please observe that the one particular point, that one is creates this difference is delta x between these 2 points. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. The black one or the first wave traveling time equal to 2. The second of the wave time equal to 2 plus delta t. It taken a small interval of time difference and the displacement difference. If for this wave equation you have the derive of the speed of the traveling wave, you apply some condition. That one is kx minus omega t plus phi equal to constant. That one is constant. Why? Because it taken as a small time interval of delta t and time interval of displacement. This gives the constant. Now, k, the change in the displacement is x plus delta x. Then omega, the time change in the derivative in the time equal to t plus delta t. Now equal to constant. The same phase, that's why taken phi equal to 0. Then this equation we will write like as kx plus k dx minus omega t minus omega delta t equal to constant. Now this equation you will write down like kx minus omega t, k delta x and omega delta t is approximately 0. Why? Because these are the small interval or small value of. Then kx minus omega t equal constant. So kx minus omega t is equal to constant. So kx equal to omega t. Now x by t equal to omega by k. This is we will write in the variable form. Delta x by delta t equal to omega by k. But delta x by delta t we will write as v. V equal to omega by k. Or then v equal to 2 phi omega by 2 phi k. This is we will write like as v equal to lambda by capital T. This is another form of the speed of the traveling wave in the term of lambda and t. This one is velocity in the term of omega and k. This one is written like as v equal to lambda mu because mu equal to 1 by t. These three forms. First one, second one, this third one is most important. Please buy it for the solving of the next classes problems. This one, this is the speed of a traveling wave. The speed of the traveling wave of the medium is depends on, first one is inertia and second one is elastic property. The speed of the medium of the traveling wave depends, first one is inertia, second one is elastic property. And the same media is allowed to traveling at the same time longitudinal wave and transverse wave. But these two waves have a different space. Place. Remember that one is the same media allowed to at the same time transverse wave and longitudinal wave, but the different speed. This is the this class. Next we have the derive the equation for the separate of the traveling waves and transverse wave and longitudinal wave.